Hello, welcome to Texas Style Cuisine. Glad you joined me today. I'm Chef Johnny, and today we are going to be showing you how to grill up some oysters. Our pan is good and hot, so what I'm going to do is get a little butter in here. Let that start melting. And I'm going to drop in, oh, that might be a tablespoon of shallot. It's an entire shallot that I had. And I'm just going to start sauteing those up. I'm going to drop in some red bell pepper that I have diced real small. Keep that cooking. And I've got about half a dozen cloves of garlic. Always put my garlic in last because it will burn if you're not careful. So let's move it around a little bit. Now I'm going in with a half pound of butter. And that first bit I got was off this half pound. It's pretty soft, but I'll drop that in and just get it melted. Now just a few sprinkles of red chili flake. Depends on how hot you want your oysters. And I'm going to go a couple of pinches of salt and pepper. And I'm just going to let that start cooking together. To go with this, I'm going to toast up some ciabatta bread. And I'm just going to use the same butter that's going on the oysters for my ciabatta. And I'm going to toast this up on my grill. Got a good hot grill over there where those oysters are going to go. I'm going to put these on there right next to it. And I can turn that fire off. It is done. Kids gave me this cast iron dish for Christmas. Now I'm going to put it to use. So I'm going to take my butter with my peppers and my shallots and my garlic, and I'm going to put just a little bit in each little dish. Now you can actually, if you wanted to, you could put oysters in the shell in here. And now we're going to get the oysters. These are not real big ones, but they sure are going to eat good anyways. If they're real small, I'll drop 2 in. Now let's look at these smaller ones. Put that one in there with it. There we go. Double some of them up. And I'm going to take some more of our sauce right up on top of these. Get some of them peppers and shallots to go up on top. Making this sauce for them, if you wanted to, you could even use a little wine in there with them. But all I'm going to do now is sprinkle in a little bit of Louisiana hot sauce right up on top. Not too much, just a couple of drops. And we're going to take these over and get them on the fire. Let me show you how we do that. Got our bread on here toasting. Let's check it, see how it's looking. Oh yeah, you can see it's starting to toast up a little bit. That's what we're looking for. That one's starting to look pretty. Just want to get this crunch on them real good. Nice and toasty. Now let's get these oysters on here. And we're going to take them on there to those oysters start bubbling and kind of curling up on the sides. That's know when you're getting ready. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to drop Some grated Parmesan cheese right up on top of those oysters. Shouldn't take too long to do this, maybe about 10 minutes. There you go. Let's let them get hot. Those are just about done. I'm going to drop on a little more cheese on the top, and then I'm going to let them cool off. That is looking pretty. Our bread's nice and toasted. Fix to give some of these a try. Take some of this bread. And yes, I know they're hot. Scoop up an oyster and cheese. Put it right on top of my ciabatta. Plenty of that sauce. I tell you what, oysters came out great. They look beautiful on this toasted ciabatta. They're going to taste great. I'm going to give one a try.
How is it?
That's good.
You can have my share too.
She doesn't eat oysters.
It looks pretty.
Let me tell you, that plump oyster on that crispy ciabatta bread, and it has that butter and garlic with red pepper in it, little chili flake. I tell you what, these turned out fantastic. You want to have a great grilled oyster? This is one of the ways to do it. This one came out very good. If you enjoyed my video today, go down there and give me a thumbs up. Always appreciate that. I tell you what, we love to see you here on Texas Style Cuisine. Remember to subscribe our channel. Click the notification bell so you know every time we put up a new video. Tell your friends and your family about us. Let them know that we're grilling oysters here on Texas Style Cuisine, and we'll see you down the road.
Sitting by the wagon when the sun come up this morning, baking eggs and coffee, biscuits and beans. Cookie strikes the bell and he rings the world a warning. How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.